In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete ClickUp status, 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a status, and more importantly, how to remove it so your profile returns to its default. This is a quick workflow tweak that keeps your availability clear and your workspace tidy. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the ClickUp website. If you already have an account, go straight to the login page. If you're brand new, take a moment to create an account so you can follow along. On the login screen, enter the email you used for ClickUp and your secure password. Accuracy matters here, so double check for typos before proceeding. Using a strong password is always a good idea, and a password manager can help keep your credentials both safe and convenient. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. Navigate to your workspace's homepage or overview area, where you manage projects and tasks. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. In the menu that appears, select Set Status. You can type a custom status from scratch or choose one of the suggested options, depending on what you want teammates to see, like being heads down on a task or away for a while. When you're happy with it, click Save. Your status is now active and visible to your team, which helps with collaboration by showing your current availability and focus. Now let's remove that status. Click your profile picture in the top right again to reopen the same menu. Click on the current status to edit it. Clear the status so there's no text or selection applied. Then click Save. That action deletes the status and reverts you back to the default state, removing any extra badge or message from your profile. This keeps signals clean in your workspace and avoids confusion about whether you're available. That's the entire process. You've logged in, navigated to your workspace, set a status when you needed one, and deleted it just as easily when you were done. Small habits like this make ClickUp smoother to use and help your team read the room at a glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and happy ClickUp working.